Tried my landscape project once again. I had a new reference off YouTube. I can't really find any way to give them credit, but I showed a screenshot of their YouTube. Anyway, so this time I was going to be bold and try to, capture the landscape, and I already had 2 or 3 practice ones, and so that's what I ended up with. I thought it looked maybe somewhere between half decent and crude. I don't know if it's a good crude or a bad crude. Anyway, sort of try to add enough detail, use the same number 12 brush for the whole thing. Very tempted to get a fine brush to throw in some fine detail, but I did not. And then finally I thought, okay, that's good enough, so I threw in a jazzy signature, or hopefully jazzy signature, so it looks like that's the way we wanted it to look. And there it is, landscape try number 3 or 4.